You may have heard it's not what you know, but who you know. The Maroon and Gold Network is a great way to connect with University of Minnesota alumni, expand your network, and gain valuable career insights. Remember, all of the alumni on the Maroon and Gold Network have volunteered to help and are waiting to hear from you. So let's walk you through how to explore the network. Once you've logged onto the platform, click on Community. Here, you will see all the users currently on the Maroon and Gold network. You can use the search bar and the filters along the top to find alumni who closely match what industries, majors, locations, or interest areas you're looking for. For example, you may want to find alumni who are with a particular employer. You can type that employer into the search bar and see results based on that. As you can see, this filters by only users who have experience working with Medtronic. Or you might want to find alumni based on what major they studied at the university. Click on More Filters, Majors, and then type the major you want to find. As you can see, it filters by only users who studied electrical engineering. Or you may want to find alumni based on the help topics they said they could assist others with when they initially signed up for the Maroon and Gold network. You can find a filter based on help topics as well. For example, if I select informational interviews, it will filter and show only users who said they are willing to help with informational interviews. Or you may want to combine several search filters to find a highly tailored match to connect with. I'm going to search for marketing in Chicago, who are willing to help with job interview strategies. Now I have 9 possible matches to reach out to for advice. Be sure to clear your filters between each search. Have fun exploring the Maroon and Gold network.